Within a development planning system, we create, implement, and track development plans. Much like an LMS, a learning management system allows us to implement and track learning. These two systems, an LMS and a development planning system, can exist within one system, within one technology. Both systems can help companies attract, retain, and motivate their employees by investing in their development. Companies show their employees that they care and that they're willing to spend money on their growth, even if that growth doesn't directly benefit the organization today. Training and development specialists are typically responsible for overseeing the entire development planning system, while managers are responsible for working with individual employees on a one on one basis to create their development plans.